Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the upgraded oxygen tank. First, you'll need to locate the initial oxygen tank blueprint, which is absolutely essential for starting the upgrade process. Next, gather 5 units of refined metal from various resource nodes. Finally, acquire 3 advanced circuit boards, often found in abandoned facilities or through specific crafting recipes. These components are crucial for the next steps in your upgrade journey. Now that you have your base materials, it's time to craft the key components. Begin by crafting the reinforced casing, which requires 2 metal sheets. Then, assemble the high-pressure regulator using 1 advanced gear. Lastly, synthesize the oxygen filtration system, a complex part that ensures optimal air quality. These steps prepare you for the final assembly of your upgraded tank. With all components ready, head to a fabrication station. Combine all your crafted parts there to begin the assembly. Initiate the upgrade sequence, which typically takes 30 seconds to complete. After the assembly, perform a thorough system check to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. This final step confirms your upgraded oxygen tank is ready for use. Your upgraded oxygen tank is almost ready. Test it for 10 minutes in a low-pressure zone to confirm its stability and performance. Carefully monitor the oxygen flow, aiming for 15 liters per minute for optimal efficiency. Remember, proper maintenance extends its lifespan. Also, for staying refreshed during your adventures, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.